stopped to get some something to eat for lunch and some gas. And then I'm out, off for a hunt. In fact, it's going to be a mean day. I'll surely get a big stag today. Goat right fucking there on the road. This fucker. Hey, bang. A few cars in the car park. It's a Sunday though. I usually come out Monday, but tomorrow's no good. Beautiful morning. So yeah, one thing I always do is put into my head safety first. Mine and others isn't worth a deer, so identify your target. That's what I always put into my head, even when I hear movement or anything. It's the most important one, I feel. So yeah, I'll keep you updated.
Me. 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 Fuck, I'm gonna have to get my knife. Fuck. Where the fuck's my knife? Holy fuck. I hope it's all on fucking film. Fucking gun. I'm gonna have to get that sorted. There's two of them. I lined up the other one too. But then the gun. Fuck, I'm gonna have to get that looked at. Fuck, I'm happy the first shot went. Fuck, that better be on video. Holy shit. Fucking rifle. Shit. Oh. Wow. I don't stalk deer on the track. That's why the rifle was on my back. I still took it off, gave it a call. I could smell deer and I stopped and I heard him here. That's what I said before, safety first. Waited, and then he took off up here on the track. Couldn't get a shot, and he was about to go through this supplejack here. Took the best shot I could, and it hit him. I would have killed him with the second shot, but he fucking the gun's fucking playing up. Holy shit. There's my bag. Wow, that's nuts.
Really psycho. I fucking would have got it all on cam. Hopefully on the GoPro. I'm just walking in, it's about 8 in the morning and I smelt deer and I stopped. I heard a deer. Didn't want to shoot it on the track, of course. So I ran up here. I still had the gun on my back safe because I don't stalk the track. Ran up here, took a shot through all this jack. It came rolling down here, took another shot. Gun misfired. Went over there, still not on the track, so I took another shot, misfired, something's wrong with the gun. And it stood there, crawled onto the track. And I soon realised the gun's not going to fucking work. I had to run up there with my knife and Rambo it. Holy fuck, it was the craziest shit. It's another deer too. I took a shot at that one, but the gun misfired. I could have got 2. Fuck. It's a small deer. I could probably carry it out whole. Because I know the bro wants the heart. So I'm going to have to gut it anyway. That's where it fucking was, up here. It was bleeding out here. And then I was like, I don't want to shoot on the track either, so I fucking pulled the knife out. There's another one with it, still hanging around. Fucking rifle. I'm going to have to take my bolt apart and give it a clean, I think, and see what's going on there. But deer down. Fuck, I hope I got that on the GoPro. Oh, I got it. Try to get the heart and carry it out whole.
Oh fuck. Way off. This is an awkward setup. Like it's a light deer. Not too far to go. Fucking A.
There's your heart, Kev. You'll be stoked, bro. Cunt's been asking for ages for a deer heart. There she is. Only a small one, brother. Don't know if it'll feed you and the missus, but yeah, I actually would have carried on hunting and left this deer here, but not with the gun misfiring like that. Fucking not gonna bother fucking seeing another one, and then it happened again. Sorry about my hair, fucking need a haircut. Jesus. Anyway, not too far from the car. I'm feeling lucky today. Full of the team. I've got my trout rod too, so go down and see if I'm lucky on a fucking trout too. Trout and a deer, budding a day. Could it work? Could it happen? We'll see. Just bumped into another hunter. He was just heading out. Stopped there to chat to him and got his number. It's always good to know who's hunting the area you're hunting. So I said to him, I didn't go too far in, bro. Like the rest of the area might be spooked. So he's off. I'll message him later, see how he got on. Yeah, see if I can get a trout. This spot's looking real good. I've seen some huge trout in here actually, but they're never really too keen on the spinner. So we'll see. No luck on a trout. I did see one though, can't follow me in, a little one. Oh well, go home, sort the steer out.